I'm not even where I'm supposed to be right now. Like, if I'm gonna show y'all, I'm not even at the location I was gonna come today yet. This is what we do it for, bro. I might be down for the day, but it's all good because look at what we get to come to. Literally, what we went over all yesterday, same shit happened. Same shit. So far for the day, we're up about 250. Getting the sales is easy. Rel just got his funded account today with Top Step. All right, welcome.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Morris Bridge Road, then turn right onto East Fletcher Avenue.
Oh yeah? Hold on, let me turn this bitch off. She about to tell me to turn left. Turn left. But without Siri interrupting me, we're on our way to the location. We're on our way to another spot. We're gonna have a nice view. We're gonna have a great day. It does look a little cloudy, but I don't know if it's because I got glasses on or it's actually gonna be cloudy because I checked the weather and it's supposed to be a sunny day. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Maybe it's just because it's early, but it's 9 a.m. We got about 30 minutes until we gotta actually start the VIP Trading Network. And the VIP Trading Network is essentially the community where I show up every day, I give value, I teach them about trading, I show them how I trade, I manage my trades live, I give them my trades that I take live, and we just essentially we're a big community of like-minded individuals all on the same mission of becoming the best versions of ourselves. And the community is how we build each other up. Iron sharpens iron. We have a beginner, advanced, intermediate traders that all come together every single day, as you guys see in the videos and as you will see again today, to be able to make some money and learn how to trade and to be able to chase that lifestyle of not having to work a 9 to 5. That's why we all do this. We all want the freedom of being able to work for ourselves, not just trading, but just work for ourselves. 90% of people that get into trading is because they want to make money for themselves, not with a job. You know what I mean? That's what we're here for, and that's what I'm going to continue to teach them every single day because I've been able to do it for myself. I've been able to not have to work a job and be able to pay all my bills, be able to pay for my car, be able to eat, be able to go places like where I'm about to go right now with no job. And who better to learn it from that somebody is actively doing it and is young also. So for all my young bulls, tap in. All right, right now I had to go park my car at an apartment building, not an apartment building, but park at a parking building. I can't fucking talk. At a parking building, and I realized that I'm not gonna have enough time to be able to get all the way inside the apartment and get to the charts and start the chat on time. So we're gonna actually start the call here up while I'm parking my car, and then we're gonna make our way to where we're going as we go through. So that's the vibes. We about to get it all started though. What's going on with y'all? I'm not even where I'm supposed to be right now. Like, if I'm gonna show y'all, I'm not even at the location I was gonna come today yet. I'm just parking my car, but I was just like, nah, I'm gonna end up missing this shit again. So I was like, fuck it, I'll wait here and park up. But I was definitely liking the longs if we could run that low, but we ran it on there. Let's see what these longs are looking like. Right now, they look like they're trying to get a little retracement. But like I said, I'm going to see what happens if it tries to run that isnt session a little bit. RIP. Shit. I don't know. RIP, that one just hit stop loss. Let's see, we're back in this area. Should I take these shorts? What's dollar's having this retracement? That's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to be caught in some shit because the dollar wants to fall now, bro. I really don't. Glad I came out here. It's a little windy, but a little wind ain't gonna hurt. If it starts pouring though, that might just hurt. But just look at this, man. This is what we do it for, bro. I might be down for the day. I might be down $180 for the day. But it's all good because look at what we get to come to. If you come to my VIP, remember I showed you guys we were up 125. So far we're up 175 for the day. So we're still up money. We're up damn near what we lost. So it's just about staying positive and moving on to the next. There's always one more trade. There's always another day, another opportunity. It's just about staying in the game long enough to actually reap the rewards. Like right now, I'm still watching one more trade. I can still end the day profitable, or I can end up taking another loss. But this is my last trade. My last trade though. Let's see what we can do. If it plays out, we make the trade that we lost back. If it doesn't, we take 2 losses and we take our first L day in a little bit. And then I'm gonna go jump off this building. Shit, I'm already in shorts. Don't gotta tell me twice. And that's what I'm saying. It really just depends how these next little 20, 30 minutes take out. It's 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. I'm telling you, that's just facts. Like, remember what we was going over yesterday with all the stuff? Look, that shit happened this morning at 5 a.m. Shit is so repetitive, literally. What we went over all yesterday, same shit happened. Same shit. And from what time? Remember I told you the London session times from 2 to like 4? 4 and 5 this happened. What the fuck? And then we ended up taking a good little loss today. I ain't gonna lie. We took 2 good trades. I was trying to risk a little bit more. Risked about 180 and then 240, and it just didn't play out. Everything was bearish except for what I was trading. Nas is just bullish right now. I was bullish on Nas, but I wanted it to run this low, which it never did, unfortunately. But fuck it, we on to the next. All right, right now we in the gym. This is the gym at the hotel that I'm at. Nothing crazy. It just has the pure basics, honestly. We got the dumbbells, we got some weight balls, paws, treadmills, and everything. Nothing crazy, it just has the bare necessities. We got water though, we got some towels, so that's all that really matters. The dumbbells is more than likely gonna be the main thing that I'm using. But we got our bathing suit and everything also, so depending on if I need to go get my girl either after this or like in an hour or 2 will depend on if I'm gonna get in the pool or not, because I do got my bathing suit and I am trying to get in there. I cannot find somewhere to put this. Might just have to put it on one of these weight balls, I ain't gonna lie. That'll have to do. I'm taking the shirt off because they don't seem like they got any AC in here. I got my laptop in here. Oh, I'm on some real content creator type shit, real trade type shit. But this is what we do it for. Look at this. Some people wake up today and have to go to their job. But yeah, we just got done the gym. Smooth little workout, I can't lie. Like I said, the gym had all the basics and necessities that we needed. We didn't need nothing crazy. But right now I'm just waiting to see if I'm gonna have to slide on my girl. Cause I'm low-key wanting to get in that pool. It's pretty nice out right now. I can't lie, like the weather, it definitely is a little bit better. The sun is coming back out. It doesn't look too cloudy no more, and the heat is definitely hitting me. And I just worked out. There was like no AC in there, so I'm sweating low-key. My back is sweaty. But it's good sweat. It's sweat that I earned, you know what I'm saying? But I'll see you guys wherever we end up next. Probably gonna end up leaving this place in maybe like 15 minutes. Never mind, she just texted me that she's gonna be leaving early, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know if I'll bring her here because she does feel a little sick, but nonetheless, it's been a good day so far. Even though we took the 2 L's, it is what it is. We continue to do what we got to every day, regardless the results, win or W. We come back, follow the plan, and that's it. All right, we about to go get some food. Luna's chilling in the back. How you feel now? She's here now. All right, so right now we're back in the crib, back in the apartment and everything, back at the workstation. And right now I'm just on my computer going over everything. So far for the day, we've had pretty good sales when it comes to VIP. Since I did take my L's during the day, I did kind of put a little bit more effort and more intention behind trying to get more people onboarded for VIP so I can actually give value and change their life. Because at the end of the day, I always tell you guys, getting sales in any business is one thing. For me, for example, I sell my service of teaching people how I trade and how to trade. For you, it could be something totally different. But when it comes to sales and anything that is constantly recurring, you need to figure out a way to retain people, because if you're not constantly giving them value, if you're not constantly giving them what they want, if you're not constantly giving them reassurance that they're coming to the right person and what they're coming for is getting answered, the questions that they need answered are getting answered from you, that's what you got to make sure is done. Because getting the sales is easy, but if you're not able to keep people in a community, if you're not able to keep people coming, like say for example Netflix, it's one thing for people to like Netflix, but the only way they stay in business is if people keep coming because they're getting what they're paying for. They're getting more than what they're paying for. That's my goal, to give everybody in VIP more than what they pay for. And I'm pretty sure they get that. Anybody that's in VIP, make sure you comment below so everybody knows what we get in there, because I feel like I give you guys a lot more than I really should, but it is what it is. So far for the day, we're up about 250, which isn't bad at all. Isn't bad at all. 250 on VIP sales. And today ended up being our first losing day in a while. I already told you guys and was talking to you guys about a little bit this earlier in the video, but it sucks, but you got to keep in mind, this is why having other incomes is important. That's why having confidence in your system is important, because I know a whole lot of people that took losses today. But I know a whole lot of them didn't handle it well. But I know I lost more than a lot of them. I lost more money than a lot of people that I know also took L's today, that I know also missed trades, had break-even trades. But it's not about the money aspect. It's about what it does to your emotions, what it does to your mindset, what it does to you as a person. Because I always tell you guys this, you are your business when it comes to trading. You got to make sure that your mind is in the right place. You got to make sure that you're following your processes, because at the end of the day, the littlest mistake can ruin everything. The littlest mistake can ruin weeks, months of work. And when you're a trader and when you work for yourself, that's a lot of time wasted. Time is money, and you don't want to be wasting time. Trust me, we only have so much time, and we got to make sure that every single second of the day is getting used in the most productive way possible. But here's a tip that I definitely think will be able to help you guys, because it's one thing for me to say all of this, but I want to give you guys solutions. You don't need to join VIP. You don't need to join any paid service to get the answers you're looking for. I'm always going to give you guys free value nonetheless. If you just want the more in-depth, that's when you join VIP and everything. But one tip I will give you for being able to handle losses better, being able to get over them, and being able to just manage yourself when you take losses is have other things to do. I always tell you guys, stay busy, stay productive. And this is something I tell myself. Everything that I tell you guys, everything I tell VIP, everything that I tell anybody when it comes to advice with trading, mindset, money, is advice I tell myself, is things that I tell myself. Stay busy, stay productive. If you take a loss, but you know you have to go to the gym, you know you have to work on your other business, you know you have other responsibilities, you're not even going to be able to sit there and think about that loss, because you have other responsibilities. You got things to do. Just like when you take a loss, you still have to go to work. You still go to work anyway, right? You may feel a certain way, but you're still going to work. You're not over trading at work, I would hope. I would really hope you're not over trading at work. But you get the idea. You gotta stay busy. You gotta put your focus on other things, because if you're sitting there not doing anything and just sitting in your thoughts, sitting and thinking about the trade, sitting and thinking about the money you lost, sitting and thinking about the money you could have made that you didn't made, thinking about what coulda, shoulda, woulda, all those different things is going to play with your emotions. And the way to get around that and the way to handle it better is keeping your day busy. Structure your day so that every time you get finished what you're doing, you're on to the next, on to the next. Every single day I do the same things, but it just keeps my life structured so that when I don't know what to do, when I'm feeling a little bored, I just know, look at the plan. If I have my phone with me, I just look at the back of my phone. I look at what I got to do. What is the plan? What is the process? What are the things that I could do every single day that are going to keep me busy, keep me productive, and keep me moving and improving 1% every single day? Not every day is going to be a winning day. It's not always going to be a winning day. Like today, I took a loss, but it's okay. You got to remember, it's about the long run. There's this quote that I just sent in the VIP. So I think it would be a good quote for you guys to also see. It's because not everybody has been winning. As you guys can see, oh look at this. Matter of fact, before anything, good work, Raul just got his funded account today with Top Step. Good work. Now the real work begins. Getting that account was just the beginning of it. But here's the quote: just one bad day doesn't mean it's a bad life. You got to think long term. Think long term. This is very key. This is a quote that I personally go over myself. This is something I personally put on my walls before. You got to understand that. But yeah, right now we're at 166 members with VIP. We're growing. And you know why we're growing? Because the results don't lie. And the people that are actually in the team, they know what we do. They support the message. They support it all to the fullest. And it's amazing. It's amazing that I've been able to build a community of like-minded individuals all on the same mission. Because one thing about entrepreneurship and trading is very lonely. There's not a lot of people that think like we do. There's really not. You may think that, damn, he thinks like me. There's a lot of people that think like me. No. You just attract what you think. You attract the same type of people that you want to be around, you know what I mean? And that's how you're listening to me, and that's why I'm talking to you right now. We attract those types of people. We attract people that we are like, if that makes sense. There's not a lot of people like us. That's why we got to stick together. That's why it's good to have a community. It's good to have a YouTube channel of like-minded individuals. Everybody in the comments, let us know how your journey's been as a trader, entrepreneur, all the above. Because it's not easy. I know it's not easy. Trust me, and that's why I want you guys to also know. You're not going to win all the time. You're not going to win every day. But it's about winning long term at the end of the year, at the end of your life. That's what really matters. Don't worry about the day-to-day. But yeah, so I'm gonna basically just review everything when it comes to trading. So I ended up taking the L today. It is what it is. We're up in profit. We've won our last 2 weeks. I just want to give myself a pat on the back. I've literally won the last 2 weeks trading. Every single day that I've traded, I've won. I made over $800 on my live account. That's kind of why I haven't been trading it. The Henko Trade account, I'm going to be trading that this week. I just kind of been taking it slow. All I need is 1 to 2 good trades on that account a week, and I could withdraw. If I could withdraw extra $500 to $600 a week just from that one account, that's more than enough. That's enough to pay my car every single week of the month. I want you guys to put that in perspective. You don't got to be aiming for $6,000 weeks. You don't need that. That's why multiple incomes is very key. If you can make $1,000 from 3 incomes, you can make $1,000. You can make $3,000 a month. Versus trying to make $3,000 from one income is going to take a little bit harder. It's going to take a little bit more time versus building them all together. But that's just me personally. But here, I'll show you guys my credentials and everything. So far, we have about 18 winning trading days, 18 out of 30. No, 18. We have 18 on here, and then if we went to our other funded account, which I haven't been trading, I'm pretty sure we have about 5. Nope, that is not it. That is a challenge. Where is it at? No, we have 4 on this one, so we have 4 over on this side. That's about 18 plus 4. That's about 22 winning trading days out of 30. We have about 8 more. I'm documenting this whole process. This has been taking time, but it's happening a little bit faster than I thought. We got a lot of those trading days done the last 2 weeks. Like the last 2 weeks, we got maybe about 8 of those. So we got about, I would say, a good portion. I don't know what percentage that is out of 18, but it's a good portion nonetheless. All right, we're back. We're about to be back at the hotel again. We're about to just chill there. I'll probably end the vlog off over there. But look at this view. This is what we do it for. Top floor, and that's where we're gonna be soon. More likely somewhere over there though. That's like more actual living stuff. But the view is amazing nonetheless. This is the hotel right here, and the balcony is like right over there, but we're gonna see what's up. Yeah, this is the hotel right over here. We're just chilling by the water. Got a nice little view of everything. But we about to teleport to here. Yeah. We on top of the balcony, whatever you would call this. We got the view and everything. And this is gonna be where I'm gonna be essentially editing my video, editing the video you're watching right now. This is where I'm gonna edit it at. I'm gonna do everything with my YouTube, everything when it comes to VIP, be active in the chat, everything from right up here. Like you can see all of this up here. Look at the view. Then we got this right beside us. It's a good area to work in, and I think she's slumped, so yeah, that's that. Essentially, if you wanna learn how I trade, if you wanna learn exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis, if you wanna learn exactly the reasoning I get in and out of trades, get the free course. Everything's going to be in the description. It's completely free. It's going to teach you everything you need to know from 0 all the way to 100 with everything that I do and everything you need to know. No bullshit, none of the stuff that is unnecessary. Just straight game, straight value, but only the necessities to keep it simple. And even though I didn't trade my Henko Trade account so far this week, it doesn't mean that I'm not using the account. I'm still using them. So make sure that if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to actually start implementing the concept that I'm teaching you in the free course, make sure you go to Henko Trade. They got a great demo. You just got to go and get everything settled with their platform. But personally, like I told you guys before, I personally like using it more on like the mobile phone. Using it on the phone is just a little bit easier than like the laptop version. That's just my preference. But the link is also going to be in the description. And when you're ready to join VIP, to join a community of like-minded individuals that are all on the same mission of trying to essentially become their best self, become the best trader they can be, and learn from each other, and only look to improve that every single day, then make sure you join VIP. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.